Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying a 3-strand twist out for the first time. And my hair is freshly washed. I have leave-in conditioner. I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. And right now I'm just separating my hair and getting started. So this is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And this is going to be my moisturizer for this evening. I'm using my Tangle Teaser to detangle and like smooth down my hair strands. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of gel, just like, you know, for humidity and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just adding a little bit of gel. And then I'm gonna brush it down again. And I'm gonna start 3-strand twisting. I started 2-strand twisting, and then I remembered what I was doing, and then I stopped and started doing a 3-strand twist. But I'm gonna give you guys a better angle of me doing this, to where like I can actually explain to you guys what I'm doing, because this obviously is not a good angle. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm at the top of my head, and this is obviously a better angle to like show the camera what I'm doing. And so I'm taking 3 strands as if I was braiding, and I'm just taking like the end piece of hair and wrapping it over like the 2 other pieces. So like you take the piece that's all the way on the end and you wrap it around the other pieces, if that makes sense. I feel like explaining it doesn't make as much sense as actually watching it happen. And then make sure you like keep tightening it so the hair doesn't like loosen up and you get like a loose twist. You want it to be tight. So just make sure like as you're doing this, you keep everything tight. And obviously I'm going to comb out that bottom piece, like, because I don't want any tangles or anything. Okay, so one more time. I'm taking 3 like equal sections. So yeah, you want to make sure they're equal. So that's what I'm doing right now. And then that end piece of hair, I'm going to wrap it around the other 2 pieces. You see I wrapped it around the middle piece, and then the piece all the way towards the front. And then I'm going to keep wrapping it around. Once again, that end piece, wrap it around both. That end piece, wrap it around both. And then tighten as I go. And that's like what I'm doing with everything. It was definitely a trial and error process, because this was my first time doing this. But you know, you guys will see the results. It came out actually pretty good. So I'm just taking the end piece, wrapping it around, end piece, wrap around. That's like what I was thinking the whole time. Take the end piece and wrap it around the other 2. But yeah, you guys, I have kind of like medium-sized twists. I have a lot more twists than I do usual. So it's like 2 days later, and My twists are dry. Obviously, they're very shrunken. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking them down. I'm using like castor oil, which I usually use like to take down, and just putting that all over my head. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm starting with the back, and I'm gonna separate as I take down because that's just how I like to do it. I want to start like with 2 so I don't get lost. And then once I like took it down, there was a lot of definition. But you know, the real test is when you separate, like how defined it's going to be after you separate the, you know, the little defined pieces. But initially, definitely a lot of definition. Jeez. So this is the final look, and obviously you guys can see I got a lot of frizz, but I mean, it was very big, and I love big hair, so it was definitely a win for me despite all the frizz I got. I'm not really blaming that on the products. You know, I think it's just my technique of the 3-strand twist out. I'm still learning how to do it, emulate it correctly. But yeah, I'm just making it even bigger. And this is how I look, like styled and everything. And yeah, so yeah, this is the final look, and I don't really have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it, comment, subscribe, if you want to. I mean, I'm not forcing you to do anything you don't want to do, but if you want to subscribe, please do. But yeah, for now, peace and love, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.